Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in maths, we have completed with block 25, isn't it, children? Yes, I hope you have completed with your classwork, volume, and the skill sheet. Yes, so now we have exams, summative assessment 3, where we have to do the revision, isn't it? So that you can write the exams well. Yes, so summative assessment 3 revision. Okay, first let me explain you the model paper, then we will start revising the bits one by one. Okay, so the model paper is first bit you have write three equivalent fractions. So a fraction is given, you have to find the equivalent fractions. Okay, next writing the simplest form for the given fractions. Okay, children, the third bit is adding the fraction, and the fourth one is subtracting the fractions. Okay, so this we will revise today. Let me continue with the model paper first, then we will learn one by one. Okay, and the fifth bit is converting the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Sixth bit is converting improper fractions into mixed fractions. Okay, next you have story problems for the fractions. You have story problems also, right? So that is your seventh bit. Now coming to your eighth bit, so a clock will be given, a time will be given, so in which you have to draw the clock and also write the other way of telling the same time. Okay, how can you say the same time in other way, that you need to write. Okay, next you have time will be given. Okay, you have to write the 12-hour format for that time and 24-hour format for that time. Okay, children, next you have converting hours into minutes and minutes to hours, and then you have to find the elapsed time in the 11th bit. In 12th bit, you will be given start time, elapsed time, so you need to find the end time, or else end time, elapsed time will be given, start time you need to find it out. Okay, next adding and subtracting the time. Okay, for given time you need to add and you need to subtract. Okay, next in the next bit you have to prepare a bill, children. Okay, for given things, and then a data is given where you have to put that data in a table using the tally marks, and then you need to answer the questions. Okay, in that you might have bar graph also. Okay, and the last one is your pictograph. Okay, children, so prepare well, children, for the exam. This is your model paper. Now let's start solving the bits one by one so that it get revised again. Okay, so the first one is write three equivalent fractions. For any given fraction you have to write three equivalent fractions. Okay, so here 1 by 5, so the to 1 by 5 you have to write three equivalent fractions. How can you do? Simply multiply a number to the numerator and the denominator. It should be the same number. Okay, so here numerator is 1 and denominator is 5, isn't it? So 1 by 5 should be multiplied with same number. Now I am taking 2. Okay, so 1 into 2 by 5 into 2. So 1 2s are 2 you will get in the numerator, and 5 2s are 10. So you will get 10. Okay, 3 you have to write. Now we have finished with the first one. Next 1 by 5. Okay, so 1 into 3 by 5 into 3. So 1 3s are 3 and 5 3s are 15. Okay, 3 we have to write. 2 I finished. Now the third one, 1 by 4 is equal to 1 into 4 by 5 into 4. So 1 by 4 becomes 4 and 5 fours are becomes 20. So 4 by 20. So these are the three equivalent fractions. Okay, children? Yes. Only thing is you have to multiply the same number. It is not compulsory that you have to do with 2, 3, 4. You can go with 10, 100, 1000 also. Multiplying with zeros will be easy, isn't it? So in that way also you can do it. This way also you can do. But don't do mistakes while doing the multiplication. If you do the wrong multiplication, then the answer is wrong. Okay, only remember whichever number you are taking, you have to multiply that number to the numerator as well as the denominator. Okay, 2 3 4 are the easiest numbers, so you can go with this, or otherwise you can go to 3 4 5 or 5 6 7, your wish, any three numbers. Okay, next here you have to write the simplest fraction. For to write the equivalent fractions you need to multiply. Here you have to check whether the numerator and denominator can be divided by any number, both should be divided by the same number. Okay, so here the fraction is 5 by 15. Okay children, so 5 by 15, so both are in 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, so both are divisible by 5, isn't it? So numerator and denominator can be divisible by the same number, which is 5. So then you can write the simplest form. So 5 by 15, 5 divided by 5 and 15 divided by 5. So 5 divided by 5 you will get the answer as 1, and 15 divided by 5 will get the answer 3. Now check whether this have any other number which can be divisible, both numerator and denominator. You don't have any number, common number, only 1 is the common number, isn't it? 1 is divisible by 1 and 3 is also divisible by 1 only, no other number. So this is your simplest form. Okay, so 5 by 15 will be equal to 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is the simplest form. Okay children, so in this way you need to find the simplest form. Now let's see the adding the fractions. So adding the fractions, you can add the fractions which are like fractions, that is the denominators should be the same. Okay, so 1 by 6 plus 4 by 6, here the denominators are same. Okay, so you can simply add the numerators, write dash denominator 6, only once you need to write 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4, so 1 plus 4 becomes 5, so the answer is 5 by 6. 6 you will write denominator and 5. Okay, 5 by 6. Now next you have another sum which is 1 by 7 and 6 by 7. Here the denominators are same, 7, isn't it? So 7. Now here you can simply add the numerators, 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6 becomes 7. So the answer is 7 by 7, which is nothing but one whole, no children. So a circle is divided into 7 parts in which all the parts are colored. That is nothing but one whole. Okay, in that way also you can add. Okay, now coming to your subtraction of fractions. 7 by 8 minus 4 by 8. Here also you have same denominators. See, when there are same denominators only we can add or subtract. Here same denominators, no, so you can simply subtract. So write denominator 8 and 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4, how much children? 3, isn't it? So you will write 3. Okay, next 3 by 4 minus 2 by 4. So 4 denominators are same. So 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2, how much? 1. So the answer will be 1. 1 by 4. First you will write the denominator 4 as the denominators are same. Now 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 becomes 1. So 1 by 4. Okay, so in this way you need to do the sums, these 4 bits children. Okay, so for these bits try to get the sums from your classwork, from your content book, volume book, and also from your skill sheet, and practice more so that it will be easy for you to write it in the exam. Okay, for any given fraction. Okay children, practice this. In the next class we will solve the next bits. Okay children, till 4th bit you practice today. Okay, so see you in the next class children. Bye.